this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. Well, yeah, sorry about the noise. My camera's on the go. While it's on the go and I've got to be in here to sort of keep a check on it that it's going all right. I think I'm actually going to start and try something again. I've tried this several times. And see if I can get a better recipe than I have done before. I'm going to try me-handed sourdough. Now, when I've done it before, I have made a sourdough starter with pineapple juice. I've also bought a sourdough starter. If you go back to 3 new family members, I got one then. Never seem to have much luck with the bread. This is why I'm in here, just to tweak it. And so never had much luck with the bread recipe, but did have luck with the starter. So I'm going to try it again, and it'll take about a week before I can make a loaf of bread. So I'm going to do the starter, and I thought I might as well bring you along with it. This is my jar of bread flour, which I do use from time to time making bread, but not with sourdough bread. I'm not very good at making bread, sourdough or otherwise, but I do it on occasions. Now, what I've got in here are 2 types of bread flour, which is spelt and brown. No, there's 3 types in here. Spelt, which is, I'll show you back, spelt flour. I've got strong brown flour in there and strong white flour in there. So I'm going to give it a go. So let's just scoop, it's about half a cup, a heaping half a cup there, and get some, make sure I get some of this brown in as well. So I'm going to start it with half a cup of flour. Now you can do just one type of flour, you don't have to have several. It's just that I've got several in. And that's how it is in the jar. Sourdough does not particularly like metal, anything metal. So use a glass jar, ceramic jar, plastic jar even, and use only plastic, ceramic or glass utensils. So I've got my trusty chopstick here, which you can use wood as well. It likes more natural, it doesn't like the metal ones. So that same one, let's just put in half a cup of water and see how that mixes up. Not enough. So I'll do 1 cup of water. And that's it. It's a nice, loose sort of batter consistency. Right, a bit like runny porridge. and I'm going to leave it here in the kitchen where it's nice and warm and feed it every day. So I'll give it half a cup of flour and half a cup of water. And after it's been going for a few days, I'll give you an update. There it is. Oh, yes. Also, it needs to breathe, so don't completely close it off. Put the lid down. As my other kiln jars, you can see my other kiln jars, they've got the locking top that holds it down airtight. This needs to breathe. So, got a piece of cheesecloth, kitchen roll, whatever, very cheap cloth, and put it over the top, and then just secure it down with an elastic band. Because the last thing you want is little flies getting in at it. So that's how I'm going to start off this batch, and hopefully I'll do better this time than I have done before. I could keep the starter going in that, but I wasn't using it often enough, and the recipes, the reason I wasn't using it very often is because the recipes I got weren't very good at all. So that's the start of it. See you in a couple of days. Bye.
It's a